welcome to another episode of the 8-Bit Retro Refix Games Reviews. Bit of festive spirit, and don't get giddy. And on this week's episode, we're going to be taking a look at The Ultimate Cops. This is another one done a bit like the shoot 'em up one that I did first, and it's being done by Alf, Steve Day and Richard Ballis. I'll show you the main screen when we get to the game. So this is by Cytronics. It's also been, artwork is all by Oliver Frey. And this game has actually been signed by Oliver Frey. I'll pop a picture up there for you. So yeah, this looks really good on the back. I've not actually played this game yet. I think there's a few on it because looking at the menu, it says number 1, this one, side 1, has got Cops, Holiday and Cops 3, Robbers and Dinosaurs. So I'm presuming that on side 2, that I've not actually looked at as yet, there's going to be some more games. So it might be a little bit long video. I'll try not to do. I'm just going to have one little game each. I've never played this game before, guys. So if I'm rubbish at it, that's the reason why, because I've never ever played it before. In saying that, it might be easy. It might be really good. We'll find out. Let's get to it. Here we are, this is Ultimate Cops. It's programmed and music by Richard Ballis, graphics by Alf Yngve and Steve Day. As I said earlier on, this is side 1, it's got Cops, Holiday Cops, Cops 3, Robbers and Dinosaurs. Don't know what's on disc 2 yet. I'll have to have a look at that when we come round to it. You can see the artwork on the disc box here. It's been done by Oliver Frey. And inside there, look, if I open it up, it just shows you we've got a signed copy by Oliver Frey. Inside there, as you can see, there wasn't much on there. You can see the graphics on the back. Looks quite good, that. We get the disc. Again, all the artwork's really good. I'm going to take that out now and just pop it back in the drive. What else comes in this box is a little pamphlet that I've not had a chance to read through. It tells you all the loading instructions, how to control it. So we've got a big joystick in port 2, which I've got. In one player mode you control Mike Mad Dog McTavish. Player 2 can join in at any time by pressing the fire button on the joystick port 1. And player 2 controls Cy Big Bang Cabal, as he calls it in there. Flicking through just shows you a little bit more options. I'll put some pictures up so you can actually read this for you a bit easier. I'm not going to read through it because the video is going to be long enough now when we're playing on this one anyway. So yeah, so let's crack on. I'm just going to pan you up to the screen now and we'll have a look and see what it's all about. So here we are on the main screen. As you can see there, like I said a bit earlier, and it's programmed by Steve Ballis and graphics by Alf Yngve and Steve Day. If you want to pop into our Facebook group, and you'll find the link in the description, you can voice your appreciation of these graphics on this game. Alf is in the 8-Bit Retro Refix group on Facebook, so pop in and say hello to Alf. Right, so we've got number 1, side 1, Cops. I'm just going to crank the volume up a little bit now. Just see how far we can get it without it being too much and drowning myself out. I think that'll be a bit loud. I'll back it down a bit. So there we go. So let's crack on and see how this works. I'm going to hit number 1 now and let's play Cops. Nice display screen there. Quite nice on the graphics. Still feel like I should turn it up a little bit. That's the load screen. I'm just going to press spacebar now to skip past that. So, this is Cops. Copyright 19. Copyright 2013 by Cytronics Software. Briefing. Eurocity is full of corruption and gangsterism. Your mission is to fight against the criminal gangs and take down their gangsters and ringleader. Wow, that looks quite good. I can't show them. It feels alright, it feels quite a good game. Music's cracking, as per normal from Cytronics. Oh. There's a bit going on here. They're coming from every direction. Oh, we'll try and save somebody before I get killed. He's dead. Let's save the maiden. Oh, that rocket launched in the face. Ow, that rocket launched in the face. Oh, jeez. How can I kill him? How am I supposed to kill him? Oh, died again. Let's rescue her instead. We'll just go past this boss. Can we kill it? Yeah, we can kill the boss. Yeah. Oh, I don't know how many lives I've got left, but not many. Yeah. Nice to get through to the end if possible. Ah! Oh, got a bit of slowdown. There's quite a lot on screen there. Oh, game over, man. Oh, major slowdown. I'm supposed to hit past that. Right, honestly. Like that, I suppose. Bad news. So that's the first part of number 1 on this disc. Looked quite good, quite interesting. We'll probably do a little bit better if we practice that a little bit more. Graphics are pretty fast. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. So we're back on the menu screen again. So we're going to hit number 2 and we're going to have a go at Holiday Cops. So greetings from Holiday Cops. This is load screen for this one. Let's skip that. Ooh, no, music's quite good on this one. So the main game program was done by Chris Yates, design and graphics by Alf Ewing, ad programming by Richard Ballis, bitmap logo by Steve Day, music composing by Richard Ballis again. So let's see what this one's about. Okay, so we've got a side scroller. No! Wow, that's very difficult to shoot. Doesn't reach. What's that about? My life gone. Maybe we've just got to dodge these bullets. Yeah. Oh, you know that was well hard. I'm nearly dead. Can't reach them ones, so I'm trying to escape. What's going on? Okay. Oh, we've got a place we can. What's that about? Ow! He's an ass. No! Come here! Oh, sorry, I'm gonna run away. Run away! If I don't... Just have a quick fire into that one again and see if we can do better. It's so hard to get there. There's not much room to play down that side. Bullets don't reach them ones. So we can't kill them, so we've got to bypass them. And they definitely can't get them ones from over there. Yeah, we're past. I've got that one. Can't reach him, no. No, no. Ow, no. Lost another life. This dude's going to come running down here again. Let's see if we can shoot him this time. He's coming now, look. Ugh, he got me and all. At least we got him. Let's see a bit. Oh, he's back. Run away. Oh, man. No. Let's go up here. Let's escape. Let's... Oh. No. 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 What's in it? No, 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 no. I don't look back on its own. Where am I going? Oh, okay. No! Oh, Jesus, bullets everywhere! No, no. Like I said in the intro bit, it's the first time I've played it, so if I'm crap, that's why. So, let's have a look at the next one on the disc. So we're back on the menu again. So number 3 is Cops and Robbers and Dinosaurs. Number 3. So here we are on the loading screen for Cops, Robbers and Dinosaurs. So let's skip past that bit. They're back. As Mike Mad Dog, McTavish. I'll let you read through that. I'm not going to read through it all. However, as Christmas Day came closer, the crime decided to start in the festival early. It's quite fitting for Christmas. But yeah, let's see what this is about. So Cops, Robbers and Dinosaurs was created by Alf Ure. Front end and music was done by Richard Vallis, as well as the front end and graphics by Kenz. So let's get into it. Oh, got run over. No. Whoa. A little bit more forgiving. Are we side scrolling? Or am I going into the Euro banks here? I can't go that way, can't go that way. Let's go up there, see what happens. Yeah, we do! Got him. I'll try and get that. Oh, don't come out of the bank. No, Cops and Robbers and Dinosaurs. No. He's an ass. And I missed them ones when we go in the bank. Watch out! Ah! No! Oh, you know. It's so difficult. They're all going to come out these windows next. Oh. So, can we put this down? Yeah, we're going up an elevator up. Yay, get him. Next level. Aww. Let's have another quickie. So difficult. That's it, clear. Let's go. Wait while he's shooting, he'll go away. Ah, let me walk. Ow! I'm making overconfident. Oh, why can't I show him? Show him. He's going to blow up that now again like it did before. I've got them too. Let's escape. Can I go there? No, can't yet. I've got to wait while the rest of them come out. Going to a tube, going to the bank. Oh, come on, there's bullets everywhere. It makes me feels a bit like Commando. Oh, no. No, no, no. Jeez, that is well difficult. Yeah, it's good though, I like it. Right, let's see what's on side 2 of this disc. Wow, so we've got a bit more on here. We've got side 2 menu of Cop's Final Chapter Intro, Part 2, Part 1, Part 2 and End. So let's have a look at the intro. It's a Cop's Final Chapter load screen. Skip past that bit. Cop's the Final Chapter. Every time I press fire button, we've got... Oh, right, okay. I don't know what I'm shooting at. Oh, you can shoot all this from that. Wow, yeah, that's quite clever. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here, like, but hey, we can shoot it all the way, look. So that's just the intro into it. So that's the intro. Let's get to part 1. So we're back again on the loading screen, side 2. So let's hit number 2 for the part 1. It's part 1, the final chapter. So main game programmed on this one is by Chris Yates, designed and graphics by Alf again, programming by Richard, bitmap logo by Steve, and the music's by Richard Malice again. Let's skip past that bit. So we've got options here. We can play as Mike McTavish, we can play as Sing Harpooner, or we can team play with both cops. Let's have a look at it with both cops there. The music and sound effects is 4 and 5. So let's stick to music because I quite enjoy music. Let's go for number 3. Team play with both cops. I probably find that I need joystick because I can play it, but hey. So let's go play with number 2. How do you get away with that? I can't move, I can't move. I can't move. Why can't I move? I just keep getting shot. I can't move. Why can't I go up and down here anywhere? We can't in the car. Unless somebody else plays the car, who knows? If we die, we'll try it. Oh, I'm free! That was a good shot. Whoa. That was a good shot. Oh! Quickie. Let's try 3. Play with teams. See what happens. Oh, my gun's changed. Let's just keep firing. See if we can survive some more men to... Oh, lost one. Yeah, you've got to press fire on port 1 on the second joystick to bring the other player in. We've got sound effects on this one as well. Right, so he's off again. Oh, well, the guy's there. He's gonna die. Can't get him again. Oh. Let's run past him. Let's run past him. Oh, hang on. See if we can get past. Who's that guy down there? Let's rescue him. Is this it? Ow, 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 ow. Keep running. Oh, motorbike goes. No. Got them too. What's this here? Ooh. Oh. There's dynamite on this bridge. Oh, it blows you up if you run into it. Stupid. Stupid. Oh. The bridge is going. So I don't know whether we can upload part 2 or not. It might need a code to get onto part 2, but we'll find out. Run! The bridge is collapsing. Let's be. Oh, hang on a minute. That would have been easier than blowing ourselves up. Dooby-dooby-doo. Oh, ow! That's as lost my noise got. Oh, that's that. Ah, game over. So let's have a quick look and see if it'll load part 2. But the last time we did add a part 2, we had to get a code when we reached the end to be able to load it. So I don't know whether I'm going to be able to or not. So let's just have a quick look and see if we can. So we're back up main screen again. Let's go for part 2. Yeah, as predicted, we need a code to get past that. So you need to complete part 1, get yourself a code to authorise yourself into the next mission, which is the end of the game. I'll just try and put anything in. Nope, I'm trying to know. Random codes. We might get lucky. Nah. So we're getting incorrect codes, so we need to complete part 1 to move on to there. So let's have a quick look at the outro. So we're back up menu, let's have a look at the ending. And it looks like you need a code for the outro as well. So yeah, that's Ultimate Cops by Psytronic. Again, I think it's about £15 for the disc version. You should be able to, $2.99 I think it is, so it's about £2.50 in UK money, somewhere around about that to buy this. So pop over to Psytronics. I will pop a link in the bottom for you to be able to go over to Psytronic's site and purchase that game if you wish. So show your support. These are great games, these. I do love Psytronics. So this game's been made by the, I think if I get it rightly, is the SCUK, which is a shoot 'em up construction kit, which you can get for the Commodore 64 and create your own games. So if you think I should try and create my own game, drop me a comment. See what you think. I mean, I'll be able to. I think I'll be able to do it. It shouldn't be too bad. I don't think I'll be able to do the music as well, but we'll see. I've been thinking about doing it for a long time, but if you think I should give it a go, let me know what you think in the comments at the bottom. So that's Ultimate Cops. What do you reckon? I thought the music on it was really good. I thought the graphics on it were really good. I might push it up to a 9.10 on this one. But you tell me what you think of this game down in the comments. Drop us a comment. I'd love to hear you. I do read them all. If you've enjoyed the episode, please give me a like, subscribe, so we can notify you for all the up and coming games and other little repair videos that's along the way. We're getting close to Christmas, hence the hat. So we'll see you on the next one. Next video should be out. We're on Wednesday now, so hopefully for Saturday. I'll try and do a little bit of a repair video on Saturday. Matthew Stinger, that does all my music for me in the background. Not this one, because this is Cops. but the normal startup on the intro. Actually donated a very old console to me, so I'm going to try and get that up and running because it's not really displaying much on the screen. So that's going to be on Saturdays, so we'll see you then. Bye!